Hermitian. Actually, theorem is theorem is it is not necessarily that the product of Hermitian operators must be Hermitian. Okay, mean their product may be Hermitian, their product may not be Hermitian. Okay, so the product of Hermitian operator, it is not necessarily that the product of Hermitian operator will be the Hermitian. Okay, or in the other sense. I equal to 1 to n alpha I may not Hermitian, or you can say that not Hermitian for all alpha I to be Hermitian. Okay, if all alpha, it means all. Okay, if all alpha I are Hermitian, it doesn't imply that these are also Hermitian. Okay. Yes. Okay. So all the statement, all exercise have the same meaning. Okay. So proof. Dirac. Here in definition, yes, we will use that. Okay, Ket-Brown notation you want. Yes. Okay. If alpha I are Hermitian, then it doesn't mean that these are the Hermitian. Okay. In other sense, if alpha I is a physical operator, okay, it doesn't mean that these their product will be Hermitian, two Hermitian. Okay. Like for example, if I say that, or we can say that if the product of Qi and Pi, okay, Qi is Hermitian, I know that is a physical operator, and Pi is also a physical operator, but their product may not Hermitian. Their product will not Hermitian, okay? Will not Hermitian, okay? So, what will it be proof? As we know that for proof we have to consider that we know that if alpha are operators and this sign means the product. Okay, I have already explained it many times. Okay, I equal to 1 to n alpha I operator, and these are the eigenstates. Okay, these are the states. Okay, and this will be equal to this. Okay. This may write in this form this. Okay, and this will equal to this. Okay. And sorry, wrong. This is the operator. क्या? नहीं, this is the state, the Ket-Brown notation. This is Brown, this is Ket. Okay, and these are the states, and these are the operators. This is only. Okay. These are the states. This is bra, this is cat, and this is maybe you forgotten. Actually, I have already explained that if O is sandwich between, this will be expectation value of O, okay, and this will be expectation value of O, and that is for normalized, because that must be divided with the that must be divided with this. If that is a normalized state, if that is equal to 1, if it is normalized, okay, then this will be equal to. I'm not saying that this is always equal to 1, but if this is a normalized, this is a 1, then this state will be equal to this, okay. This will be expectation value, okay. Another thing I have already explained, what is the Hermitian? I have already explained what is the, if O is sandwiched between, if this, O may be apply on the cat and may apply on a bra, okay. If it is applying on a cat, they will be equal to this, okay, and this is also equal to, if I take if this operator apply on this, sorry, if this operator is applying on this, this will be, I write it in the form of value, okay, sorry. The result will remain the same. This will be equal to this, okay. And if it apply on a bra, okay, this operator apply on a bra, then this will be equal to, then this red, I must write the red, then this will be equal to O Hermitian conjugate, I have already, okay, and this will be, yes, do you remember, have you recalled that? If they are Hermitian, this is generally, this is true for every case, okay, true for O, whether O is Hermitian, whether O is Hermitian or not. This is true for both, okay, these are equal, okay, these are the, whether they are Hermitian, whether they are not Hermitian. But if they are, if O is, but this will be O dagger, sorry, not dagger, okay. If O is the Hermitian, then this was the definition for Hermitian, which also asked in the exam too, okay, your exam. Okay. This is the expression for to be Hermitian. Okay. Operator hum. So this is true only for true when O is Hermitian. This is condition to be Hermitian. Okay. Always remember it. Okay. Yes. So, if this is applying on a cat, this will be result. Okay. But if it is applying on a bra, then this will be equal to, if it is applying on a bra will be written in the blue marker. Okay. Okay. Then this I equal to 1 to n. Alpha I operator, okay, and alpha and alpha, and here, okay, as I have already explained, there will be Hermitian conjugate. This Hermitian conjugate will be all, okay, on all. Have you got it? नहीं? नहीं है? नहीं? Okay. It is true. If you have written, don't need to erase. I just erase it to explain with some students. Okay. So if you have written, please don't erase it. Okay. I want to say that I equal to 1 to n alpha I. That will be applied on all these. Okay. This is like a one operator. Okay. And this the dagger will be applied on this. And okay, so this will be the case, okay, as according to definition of this, okay, and this will be the conjugate conjugate of the Hermitian conjugate, okay. This is defined as Hermitian conjugate, okay. Okay, to the Hermitian, if this dagger is removed, then that will be Hermitian, okay. Okay. When you take a dagger is there is a Hermitian conjugate as well as a transpose. Okay. So there is a operator notation. Okay. Okay. When we take the dagger, the order will be changed. Order will be replaced because. Do you know the meaning? I think you know the meaning of this. This is alpha I, okay. It is meaning that alpha 1 multiplied by alpha 2, alpha 3 up till alpha n, okay. Yes, yes. And if you take the dagger, okay. Then I have already explained the column will be converted into the row, so the order will be changed, and then that will be alpha n minus 1, alpha n minus 2, alpha, and so on, alpha equal to 1. Okay, and there will be Hermitian conjugate on every. Okay. Yes. So it will be reduced in like. Okay, and the order will be changed. Okay, this was a 1 to n, and this will be n to 1. So when we take the Hermitian conjugate, this will become alpha n operator Hermitian conjugate, alpha n minus 1 Hermitian conjugate. This is operator, okay, Hermitian conjugate, alpha n minus 2 Hermitian conjugate, okay, and up till alpha 1 Hermitian conjugate. And this will be, the result will be this. Okay, now order will be changed. It will be start from n and reach to the limit will be up till 1. Okay, that will be step down by indexing n minus 1 and minus 2, step down in digits and reach to the alpha 1. Okay, these are the product of the operator. Okay. Okay, got it? So, but given is that what is the, it's not necessary that product of affirmation must be, if you look at this, all alphas are yes, Hermitian operator. So all daggers, because alphas are Hermitian given, so it because all alphas given Hermitian. It is given, Manahil. Okay. So these are given. Yes. Okay. So this will be since these are equal, so you will write in this way that alpha n minus 1, alpha n minus 2, alpha 1. Yes. And this will be result. Okay. क्या? नहीं. Yes. They are multiplying. Multiplying. I have already explained. That is multiplying. So that multiply. Okay. So okay. So you got this. Okay. You have got this result. This is alpha 1 to alpha n, and this is 0 bars. Okay. If but that are not equal, actually they are not equal. Okay, if they are not commuting. Okay. Okay. So not for not commuting operator. So for non-commuting operator, these are the not equal. Okay. Okay. If they are not commuting operator, to be Hermitian, they must be equal. Okay. So for non-commuting operator, they are not equal. So since this side, so this implies that if I write that is x, so equation x, so equation x implies that alpha okay, this is not equal to this is equal for commutative, okay, because the order is changing. Okay. Okay. Here order is changing. Okay. These are not equal. Okay. They must be equal for Hermitian. Okay. For non therefore so this is not Hermitian. Okay, okay. So this is the required result. Got it? Very simple. I think I know I have used the much force than enough. I mean, that is a very simple, but I have used the more force. Okay. But it is a very simple, because you have to prove the left is equal to, you have to prove that they are equal. To be Hermitian, they must be equal, but they are not equal. Okay. So, and only the order is changing. Okay. If order is changing, then they are not equal. We know that in matrices order. Yes, if they yes, if they are commuting, then the 2 multiplied by 3 will be equal to 3 multiplied by 2, and their order will be not affect on each other. Okay. Yes, you are right. No, actually, generally this is not Hermitian. If I write, I will explain it later. Okay. So this is the required result. Okay. Okay. Now, for example, if we take the example of QI and PI, okay. Generally, you will prove that they are not Hermitian. Okay. Same line. Okay. If I say that they are commuting, then you will say that they are equal, and that will be okay. For example, for theorem will be this like this. But if there is a question like QI, PI, or other example, okay, then what you have to do? Lectures are recorded. You may note from. Okay. Okay. So, may I use now? Okay. Now, in the case of QI/PI, what will be happen? Okay. If I consider the case of multiplication of QI and PI, okay, having the same indices. Okay. QI is Hermitian. We know that QI dagger is operator. Okay. QI is Hermitian. We have already proved in the previous lectures, and position is also, we know that position is also a physical operator, and momentum is also a physical operator. Okay. So all physical operators must be a Hermitian, and so that means QI and PI. That will be Hermitian. Okay. So these will be Hermitian. Okay. They are Hermitian. Okay. Okay. If I use the word physical, the product of physical operators, Hermitian means physical operator. If I replace the word Hermitian with the physical operator, you must understand. Then in theorem, in exam, we may ask, it is not necessary the product of Hermitian, product of all physical operator will be also a physical. Okay. Then this proof will be enough. Okay. Okay, that will be that must be considered as the same question. Okay. Okay. For example, if I writing this, okay, QI and PI, as we have done in this case, let the state is QI, QP. Okay, state is QP. Okay. And operator is QI, PI, okay. QP are the state, this is operator, okay. When they supply on when they supplied on the cat, okay, as we have already done the QP, Or you may say only write that because QI and PI are not commuting. If in exam I said I asked prove or without doing any exercise, then you simply write that according to theorem they are not commuting, so they will be not admission. Okay, QI and PI are not commuting. You know that. Yeah. You know that QI and PI, and you may also, if you want to use the theorem, you may write in this way. May write since QI and PI they don't commute with each other, okay, are not commuting, is that QI and PI, what is if this equal PI, that is iota H cut, yes, I or I same, if they are same, okay, then 1 आ जाएगा, okay, so this is not equal to 0, they are not commuting, therefore according to theorem that described above, ठीक है, described above, QI PI will not physical or Hermitian, ठीक है, physical operator, physical or Hermitian both have same meaning, okay, not Hermitian operator, okay, they both have the same meaning. Physical operators are Hermitian operators, okay, so both have the same meaning. If in paper I ask the physical, not physical, then it is true. If I say non-Hermitian, then it is true, okay, not Hermitian, okay, they both have the same meaning, okay, not Hermitian, okay. So you may do like this if that is stated, do by not following, not proving, okay, then you will only write this statement, okay. If by doing the proof, then how you will do it, like as you have done the theorem, okay, so this will be QP okay, and the order will be changed. Okay. Okay. The order is changing. Order will be changed. Q and P are Hermitian because Q and P are Hermitian. So as we have done in the previous theorem, then that will be that will be equal to PI dagger, PI, QI, QP and QP. Okay, so you may see that this this sorry this term is not equal to this term. Okay, because they are not. That is QIPI. That is PIQI. Okay, so this is not equal to the QI PI. That actually that must be, to be Hermitian, that must be equal to this QP and QP. Okay, but they are not equal because so not Hermitian. Okay, not Hermitian. Got it? Okay, I think very simple. Okay. Okay, but if the statement is different in exam, they may be right in the form of the same question can become in exam in this form. There are many types and form of the questions comes in exam. Like for example, if here is written that is the same, but here if I write sorry, this is starting from this is the solution. Okay, the question, what is the exercise? If the exercise start from here, okay, this the same exercise but with little bit difference. Okay, what will be the difference? If the exercise is the same, okay, the statement is the same, okay, there is no change in a statement. Okay, statement is same but little bit different. What is the difference? If I mention that if I change the indices, for example, if I change if I say that the QI is the same, okay, but PJ, if I write the PJ, not PJ or NM, LM, if I use the different indices, then what will be happen? Yes, Hanji, who will be answered? Then it will be Hermitian or not? Yes, okay. Come to this point. Okay, this is very important. Okay, according to this, if no, both are near to right, not exactly right, both are true. Okay, but there is some, here will be canonical delta ij. That will be state. It may be a difference because I have not mentioned ij are a different. I have not written anything about that. They are different or the same. Okay, there may be a difference. I have only mentioned that one is I, one is j, and I and j may be a same. For some things may be same. They may be a different. Yes. So if they are a same, then commute and they will be Hermitian. If they are different, okay, because this is, you must so there are two possibilities. Okay, if ij is the same, okay, if ij is the same, canonical delta means there are both possibilities exist. Okay, if ij is the same, then they will be commuting. If ij is the different, then they will be a non-commuting. Okay, if I and j are same, not commuting. Okay, So it will be true. May or may not Hermitian. Okay, this will be okay. They may be Hermitian, they may not Hermitian, because they may be commuting. If ij are same, not commuting. If they are different, if I and j are distinct mean different, distinct, then commuting. Then ij will be 0. Okay, if they are different. Okay, if they are not same, if they are different, then ij are that will be a 0. Okay, and this will be commuting. And if they are commuting, non-commuting के लिए, for non-commuting they will be not Hermitian. The product will be not Hermitian, and this for this will be Hermitian. Okay, so you must know that difference. Okay, have you got it? If ij are may not be Hermitian. Okay, if they are the same, if that is the expression for commutation relation. If they are the same, if I equal to j, then that will be non-commuting, non-Hermitian. And if they are a distinct, then that will be a Hermitian, skew Hermitian. Have you got it? Yes, Eotach cut. Yes, this when 0 multiply with this 0, everything will become a 0. And in other case, that will be not 0. Okay. So if I say that x and py, are they Hermitian or not? They are different. X and y are different. Okay, they will be x p y, x p y. They will be Hermitian. Reason you know that. Okay. Z P Z P Z not Hermitian. ठीक है. Okay, got it? P square Tx. What will be the answer? Yes, P square Tx. What will be the answer? Px and P square. Okay, what will be the answer? Have you watched the lecture on states, the first lecture? Okay, and that lecture I have proved that the P square, which P square, what is the P square? We know that P, what is the P square? P square is Px square plus Py square plus Pz square. Yes, and I have proved that they are commuting. Okay? And this will be commute with the this p square will be commute with the p square will be commute with px. This will be commute with the p square with py. This will be commute with the, but in exam you must do it. Okay, so you must know कि कैसे करना है. मैंने प्रूव कराया हुआ. ठीक है. They all are pz. They are commuting that are equal to 0. So this will be Hermitian. Okay, you must know. Okay, there are different type of questions may arise in the during the paper. Okay, we know that we have already proved that. Yes. Okay, so because we know that p commute with the px will be commute with px, py, and pz. Okay, they will be commuting. So the answer will be okay. Yes. Okay. So this will be okay. Same. This is true for exercise. Pi may be any variable. PL, PM. Okay, you may write PM. Okay. PM, M may be any x-axis, y-axis, z-axis. Okay. If you take that with the p square, order may be a. Okay. They will be a. You have to prove. You have to verify first. Okay. And we know that p square is this, and so this will be a commuting. So this will be commuting. So this will be a Hermitian. Because commuting. Okay, got it? Similarly, if I say that exercise T sine of T, we know that Minhail, you must remember that because that's the mistake you have done. Okay? If sum is operator and other is the function of that operator, they will be always commuting. Yes, we have to have verified it and proved that. This will be Hermitian. Hermitian. Why? You must write because alpha operator and their function of operator, whatever the function, that is sine, cos, tan, logarithm, log, whatever that, okay, that will be always a commuting, okay, that will be a always zero. Okay, they will be always, no possibility they will not commute. Okay, yes, this is a general formula. Here, if I mention the sine, cos, whatever I write, that will be always commuting. Okay. If I replace this sine with the, for example, if I write P and H free Hamiltonian, okay, free Hamiltonian, okay. Answer will be same, this, because H is the function of, we know that, Hermitian, because H is the function, I have written it free, I have not write that is not free, but free, okay, for you. Up till yet you are not aware about the perturbation technique, okay, sorry, so that H is free, H free is equal to, what is H free? H free is equal to T square over 2m naught. T square is also a function, okay, so H is the function of T, okay, or the same theorem will be applied, okay. So there may be a different type of question. T Elsewhere, I have already told you that elsewhere will also commute with the xy's, Lx, Ly's, Lz. So whenever things are commuting, they will be Hermitian. If things are not commuting, they will not. Their product will not Hermitian. Okay. I think that is the simplest. Okay. Okay. Got it? Okay. So मेरा ख्याल है समझ आ गई है यहाँ पर.